Scorpion News is a public forum for student expression. Students make all content decisions, and opinions do not necessarily represent those of the HUSD.
What's up, Scorpions? It's Mariah Jimenez here for your weekly broadcast. We're going to start today's news with a birthday shout out to our very own George Becker. Everyone here at Broadcasting wants to wish you a very happy birthday. So in honor of your birthday, we've created a skit inspired by the movie Happy Death Day. Enjoy.
Happy birthday!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Grind it up.
I need to go see that actual movie now. We gotta be careful with those troll face masks out there. Now let's get to the announcements. Spirit Days have been off to a great start. We really enjoyed seeing all the school spirit and participation with all your pajamas, memes, athletic, and greaser outfits. But we need to come out strong tomorrow for our We Bleed Black and Gold Day. We need to see everyone wearing black and gold in support of our big game against Sultana tomorrow. The key game is tomorrow at 7 p.m. Be there to support. And as an incentive for going to the game, freshmen, sophomores, and juniors will be getting a raffle ticket to win a free winter formal ticket. The winner will be announced during halftime. As for seniors, instead of a winter formal ticket, you'll be entered for a chance to win a free prom ticket. The winner will be announced at the end of the game. But before tonight's key game, make sure to stop by the pep rally this Friday during lunch. Just remember there will be no food allowed in the gym, so make sure to eat before. The first half of lunch will be dedicated to eating, and during the second half, they'll start letting people into the gym. I hear the teachers have a secret performance during the rally, so make sure to stop by. Now let's move on to some important dates and deadlines. The UN Club will be meeting in room N7 today at lunch, so make sure to go stop by. Also, this next announcement goes to the seniors. If you want a quote in the yearbook, you must purchase your yearbook before we go on Thanksgiving break. This is your only chance to get a personal quote in the yearbook. Prices are at the lowest of the school year, $70 with an ASB card and $80 without. You must have your picture taken with Olsen Photography to have your senior portrait in the yearbook. Call Olsen Photography to make an appointment before the October 20th deadline. Remember that all work experience students need to meet in room D3 on Tuesdays. Oh, and one more announcement for the seniors. Senior shirts are on sale at the student store for $15. It has a really cool design this year. These would be great to wear at all the school events coming up, like this Saturday, for example. Band is having a competition at around 10 a.m. in Corona. Check in with Mr. Gardner in room B1 for more information. Let's watch a few highlights of their last competition. That was some great stuff. If you liked what you saw, go to the Band Spectacular next Wednesday here on campus. The Band Spectacular is when the High Desert schools get together to play together. This year they're playing Crazy Train and Star Spangled Banner. Now let's finish off our show with some sports announcements. The girls basketball team will be holding official tryouts for the 2017-2018 season on Saturday, October 21st from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. You must have a current physical on file with the athletics office to try out. See Coach Ronnie in room S1 during nutrition break or lunch for more details. Also, we have a few games scheduled today and Friday. Freshman football are at home versus Sultana at 6 p.m. tonight. JV and varsity cross country is away at the Mount Sac Invitational. And once again, the key game is tomorrow at home versus Sultana. Be there to watch us get the key back. Before we say goodbye, our community event reporter Ashley Palacio visited the Victorville fairgrounds and caught the action of the Monster Jam. Here's some footage of the action. Enjoy. That was exciting, and they'll be back this spring for another show. Alright guys, until next time, follow us on Twitter and Instagram at Scorpion News and on YouTube at Hesperia Broadcasting. Stay after for the credits. We have some highlights of Meme Day thanks to Manuel Lopez for sending us the video. I'm Mariah Jimenez for Scorpion News, and we're out.
She's like shaking.
Y'all try these boys, huh? Of your relationship problems on staff is probably why you have so many. That's funny. Y'all, you're not gonna sleep because of me. I'm gonna sleep because of y'all. Y'all not sleep because of me. If you know how I feel, why did you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Oh my god.
Which actually is 5.